Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide seconds on MacBook Clock Taskbar. So, as you can see here on my clock, on the taskbar, the menu bar, there's the seconds on the clock, on the time. And what if you want to hide it? You don't want to show the seconds. Maybe you just accidentally set it to show the seconds and now you want to hide it. It's very simple. First of all, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. From here, you can go to dock and menu bar. From dock and menu bar, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option clock. You can select on that. There is an option display the time with seconds. You can uncheck list. You can remove the checklist by selecting here. So now you see the seconds is disappear from this menu bar. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide seconds on clock on your MacBook menu bar. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.